Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Michael and today's video is about building a baby puzzle out of wood and acrylic using my CNC mill and my laser cutter. First I'll walk you through the design real quick, then we go into the building process, and then I show you the final product. Okay, here's a fusion model of the baseboard for the baby puzzle. It has 6 pockets. The bottom of each pocket is painted in a different color. Each pocket has a small opening here to hold magnets. The bottom of the baseboard has 4 pockets to hold 4 rubber feet to give it a little bit more stable stand. In these pockets slide these puzzle pieces in the same color as the bottom, and each puzzle piece has a pin which also has a little magnet in it. If I take off the baseboard now, and this magnet then attaches to the magnet underneath. Then we have a lid for this baseboard, also made out of wood and machined on my CNC mill. If I take the baseboard away real quick, you can see that. The height of this subframe is defined by the height of this pin, and then in this pocket slides the top with the name of the little baby girl who will receive this puzzle. And that's pretty much it. And now I walk you through the machining process of all these parts. Like I said, the puzzle itself, the baseboard, the frame, the top are made out of wood. The one second. These pieces are made out of acrylic. Put an acrylic sheet on my laser cutter, cut them out, and then painted those. See, the bottom is all black. That's still the original acrylic color. And these pins were then, after I cut that out, were just pressed in here. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so much for the CNC machining part. I did not show every step. Doing the top and the bottom and so on, that's pretty repetitive. I think you get the point. Also, the steps it takes to build the frame first. You need to glue that together, but that's all straightforward. Probably not that interesting. The puzzle pieces, as I said before, I cut those out of acrylic on my laser cutter. Also cut out a little hole in the middle, in which then I press these little pins with a magnet on the bottom. Also pretty self-explaining. One thing I received a few questions about is how I make these colorful letters on the top. So there are different ways to do that. If you have a very steady hand, you just draw them. I don't. So what I do is I cover this, it's a MDF board, I cover that with frog tape, and then I put it on my laser cutter, and with a low laser power I cut out the lasers, the letters, and then I peel off the cutout pieces, and then I paint it, and I show you that real quick, and works quite well for me. And finally, here it is. Take off the lid. Here are the pieces. Little magnet down here. And then cannot fall out. On the back side, 4 rubber feet. Again, as I said, these pieces are made out of acrylic, and then I pressed in this little magnet. The rest is all wood. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to see you very soon.